I'm Zoe. Hello, everyone. And today we will be doing a puppet challenge. Everyone introduce yourself now. Allie. Hi. Oh my God. So there is someone. I'm Bryn. I'm Zoe. You are not Zoe. I am Zoe.
Okay. On the count of 3, first person done with their poppets.
Go, Poppet.
And stand up. Okay?
Poppet.
Ready, set, go!
I didn't even pop it! Pop it. Done!
Whoa! What do you think?
I think that was a tie. She won. Pop it! Let's just say she won.
All right, second team up. You guys ready? Ready, set, go! Ah! Little one.
Good job.
All right, wait. No, we didn't start yet.
All right, pop them and then flip them.
This is the final challenge to the grand winner of the Puppet Challenge. You all good? Okay. Ready, set, go! I think that was a tie. I think you both are the winners.
Or we can do it again.
Oh, we'll just play again. All right, you guys. Good job.